there, today on It Is a Keeper, we are making one of my all-time favorite salads, a strawberry salad with creamy poppy seed dressing. This salad is insanely delicious. Crispy lettuce, sweet juicy strawberries, and a creamy tangy poppy seed dressing that brings it all together. I'm telling you, you are going to love this one. Now, before we jump into the recipe though, make sure you click on the subscribe button below. This way you won't miss a single recipe, and I'd love it if you'd give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so the first thing we need to do for our strawberry salad is we need to get the lettuce going. So here I have 3 hearts of romaine. I'm just going to chop off this top wilted part here. And then what I like to do is through one of the ribs, just run my knife right through it, not going all the way to the end. And then I cut crosswise, and then you get nice bite-sized pieces. So to our lettuce, we are going to add some red onion slices. So I don't know if I'm going to use it all. We don't want the onion to be too overwhelming, so maybe not too much, just a little bit. I'm not even going to use all that. And if you want to cut down on the bite of a red onion, just soak it in some water before you slice it, and it will kind of cut down on the sharpness of the onion flavor. It'll still give you the sweetness of the onion, but not that sharp bite. Okay, next up is the star of the show, and that is big, fat, juicy strawberries. So I have most of them cut up here, but I have one more that I will just slice up. Now, if you have an egg slicer, that's a great way to make a short task of slicing strawberries. Just pull out the egg slicer. Okay, so to this, we're just going to add in all of these strawberry slices. Now, in my opinion, you can't have too many strawberries in this. So very gently, I'm just going to use some tongs to get the strawberries mixed in. Okay, so the salad part of our recipe is complete. I'm gonna push this off to the side and we will begin making the dressing. I'm just gonna use the same bowl I had here. So our dressing is a mayonnaise-based dressing, so we'll just get that into our bowl here. Then to that, we're going to add some sweetness with sugar. Next up is some milk. We want to thin that out and we want to dissolve the sugar. And for a little bit of tang, we're going to add some white wine vinegar. Now, white wine vinegar makes a difference. You don't just want to use plain old white vinegar. That white wine really gives it such a nice flavor. And then last but not least is the fun part, and that is our poppy seeds. So we're going to add a tablespoon of those to the recipe. Now, if you can't do poppy seeds in this, it's okay to leave them out. It doesn't really add a lot to the flavor or anything. It just makes it a little more fun. I'm just going to whisk this about until everything gets combined. Okay, this looks perfect. So let me get this all together and then we are gonna go in. I cannot wait to show you guys what this tastes like. Okay, this looks so good, but it's not done because we have our poppy seed dressing. And we'll just drizzle that right over the top. This looks so pretty. Those black poppy seeds on top of the red strawberries and the bright green lettuce. This is like the perfect bite. It's got a little bit of everything. This salad has everything going on. There is the crunch from the lettuce and the sweet, succulent strawberries, and then that creamy, sweet poppy seed dressing on top. It's perfect. Now, if you really want to mix this up, you can add all kinds of different berries. Raspberries, blackberries, even blueberries would be great. Or make it a meal and grill up some protein. Chicken, shrimp, they would both be fantastic with this salad. You guys, this recipe is a keeper. Thanks for watching. You can get the printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye!